Well folks, hello and welcome back to Relaxing Woodshop. Of course, my name is David. Thank you so much for all your support in our last videos. It was really nice to get some comments and get the numbers into the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and get another dozen subscribers, so it was fantastic. So yes, as we know, I made a boo-boo and I didn't put pocket screws into the box or the wee small whiskey can display. So what we're going to do is we're going to get finished today. We're going to get the pocket screws in, so take the box apart, put them back on, sand it down, put in our wee shelf, put in our wee railing that I'm going to show you because I'm a hoarder when it comes to finding wee bits of wood, and then we're going to engrave the Redbreast onto the top. So thanks again so much and let's go. Okay folks, so now we have the two pocket holes done. Now this is a time now to hold. I'm obviously going to repeat these, no point in boring you with them. So now this is a part, this gives me an opportunity to actually properly sand it rather than having to squeak in between the bits. So let's get a nice sand on and then we'll put it back together again, so then we know, oh no, we won't put it back together because I have to get the shelf in. There's no point in putting it back together if the shelf's not in, so we need to do that. Okay guys, so here we have it so far, looking absolutely delightful. Now, what I want to do with this beautiful like balconette type thing at the front of it, it's a different style of wood, but if I do it, it brings this up to about here, maybe not a wee bit higher, maybe up to there. So getting the glass is fine, but if I put a second one in, I'm not going to be able to get the glass out, and I don't want it too big because Redbreast boxes aren't that big. So we're just going to put one glass in here, and then I'll put the box obviously in there within the balcony, and I've done the measurements so the box will come out okay. So let's dump the second level, okay? And we'll put the balcony in and then see what it looks like there. And here we go folks. So I found this many years ago. I'm not going to say it was dumpster diving, but it is a lovely wee piece. It is a slightly different colour of wood, but I think it'll work well with a stag against that. So we'll cut this and then slide it into those wee gaps, and then I think that'll look lovely as a nice wee trellis. Trellis? Balconette? Okay folks, so still not listening to the better half. I didn't engrave the top first, and I thought it wasn't going to be an issue, but I actually can't get a clamp to hold it, so I had to jig and rig and put this all in place. So now what we're going to do is we're going to download the image from the phone onto the laser. Don't worry, that's not the laser cutting, that's just giving me a guidance, so it is, so it's not going to hurt my eyes. But once we get this going, we'll get out of the way of it. So we're center, we're ready to rock, let's do it. Well folks, there we have it for another week at the Relaxing Wood Shop. Isn't it lovely? Didn't it turn out great? Was kind of worried there was a couple of times because I wasn't just thinking ahead. But I think it has turned out absolutely fantastic. The better half has definitely given me a couple of good pointers. That back bit is just fantastic. It's hard to show it in the camera, but you've got lovely paper, and then we put it into a cardboard, and then we've got it, so it looks really, really good. It gives it that authentic, like, Redbreast style that they go for when they're marketing. This is not sponsored. So yes guys, I hope it turned out very well. If Redbreast is watching and they think that I deserve a Redbreast 15, they can reach out of course. But other than that, I hope you loved it, and we look forward to seeing you next time at the Relaxing Wood Shop.